It's not wood, it's better, made with eco-friendly and sustainable zBoard, non-toxic and free of formaldehyde VOC. Lifetime guarantee. Happiness with product and service promised by our CEO and founder. Tool-free assembly, easy to assemble, no tools required, just peel the 3M adhesive strips and put together with easy align pins. Strong and durable, maximum load 30 pounds, recommended, made to stand upright, do not place on side or back. Dimensions: exterior D, 14.2 W, 18.0 H, 29.1 interior D, 13.6 W, 16.4 H, 13.4. Top reviews from the United States. Almost didn't buy based on these reviews, but happy I did. Was skeptical from reviews, but I bought it anyways. It was the exact size I wanted, and only other ones of this exact size I could find were $200 or more, which seems stupidly ridiculous. I bought this with some wood glue, as most suggest, and it came out perfect. I really have no idea what all these people that say it fell apart mean. It's nearly impossible for it to fall apart if you do it right. Currently only have about 40 records, just started my collection, but I plan to fill it, and the record player on top. It feels like it's gonna do that job fine.